Okay, so here we are looking at Weebly.com, and we're going to kind of go through how to start your own website really using Weebly, which is an amazing tool. So first you're going to want to choose a theme. So as you can see, I've chosen a really kind of tranquil ocean background, but you can really do what you'd like to do. There are lots of options. So up on top you'll see a menu with lots of different choices. So what you're going to want to do is click on theme. Next, it'll open up this menu on the left hand side where you can really kind of play around with it and see what you'd like. You can change some colors, add some options. So and down here at this change theme, if you click on that, it will actually take you to a theme gallery where you can choose different types of backgrounds really for your site. So because I've already chosen the one I like, I'm going to go ahead and get out of there. Next, you're going to want to add some really basic page elements. So by clicking on this pages link right here, you can kind of see on the left hand side you can change some things. So you can change like the home, whatever you'd like to do, add what kind of visibility you'd like, or really change the side of your header. But really wanting to add some things, you're going to want to click on that build button. So by clicking on the build button, you can really change the title, text, you can add images, you can create a slideshow and add that. You can also scroll down and you'll see other options that you have, videos and things like that. So what we're going to do is kind of just do the basic right now. So what's really nice about Weebly is that it's kind of a drag and drop system. And so if you want to add page elements, if I wanted to add a title, for instance, I could just kind of drag it over and add it there. And it allows me to click there and edit. I can do the same thing if I wanted to add text or a picture. So that's relatively an easy thing to do, and it's done quickly, so you'll be able to get through it. So the next thing you're going to want to do is, let's say we've added some information here. We want a text link in. So you're going to want to go ahead and do that by clicking on that box. It will open up this menu. And right here, this create a link is what you're going to want to click on. So let's say I want to create a link to Google. Go ahead and type that in. And you can choose whether or not you want to unlink it. It just has the words on it, or if you want it to open up in a new window. If not, you can also click on that and that will take care of that. It also gives you different options. You can put in a page or a blog post. Maybe if you wanted to have a phone number linked, you could do that as well. As you can see, that has made it a link, and so if we click on it, it gives you the option to go to google.com. You can also change it or remove that link as well. So let's say we want to add a video, like a YouTube video. Again, go to the left hand side and scroll down until you get to the YouTube video. You can drag that over. It doesn't always work. Let's bring it into this box as well. So this will allow you to do just that, to add a YouTube video. Click on it and it opens it up, and then you're able to, there you go. So that's going to allow you to do that, and then you can type in that YouTube video URL and you can add it that way. And that way, if you want to just link it to that like that, that's a perfect way to do it. You can also add documents or files. We can add pages and subpages as well. And so in order to do that, if you want to add a document, it's the same thing. you're going to want to go ahead and drag that over and add a document. So you're going to click on it and you can upload the document. And let's say I want to add a document in this Disneyland document, for instance. It will upload it. And sometimes it doesn't work. So we go ahead and try again. Okay, so that document is there now. So really you just need to kind of play with it to open it up a little bit. If we want to add a page, what you would do is you go to the top of it again, and you can add pages and subpages that will allow you to really make the most of your Weebly site. A form, if you wanted to add a newsletter or anything like that, that would allow you to do that. So once you've completed your entries and you want to publish it, this orange button on the right hand side, you click on that. I can get it to click. Here we go. And then you can go ahead and publish and there we go. It's all published. It says that the site that I want is available, so I can go ahead and continue through that. And it's been published. It also gives me the opportunity to share on Facebook or Twitter. So hopefully that this demonstration has helped you, and I look forward to any feedback. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.